Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. So in this class I will tell you default browser styles. What is default browser styles? I will tell you in this class. I will tell you step by step and detail, and I hope you enjoy this class, enjoy the series. First of all, go to my first video and see that video. So I will cover in the two parts of HTML. Here my third part. And first of all, see my first video intro to CSS, then see my second video what is CSS, and then come that video. That video default browser style in CSS. So now I will not take a long time. So let's start the video. Default browser style. So I will telling you a default browser style in CSS. So I hope you can enjoy this class. So now I will open my that file, and now in next class I will tell you what is CSS. So his work is here. So now here I will be erase that. And here I will write like default browser style. Then copy it. So you can do same thing. Copy it. Copy it. Go up. Go here. Erase it. Paste. Save. Refresh. So it is coming like that easily. Okay. So now, first of all, you can go to here on Google. But I will first of all tell you here you can write H1. You can give any color of your text. Colors will be blue, anything, and background and anything. Okay. So now I will telling you a default browser style. So I will go to the Google, and here I will be open Google Fonts. So it is open. So in the first link you will be click it. So I will be full screen it. So that thing is easily as open. So I go to the fonts. So first of all, you can pick any font your like. You can pick any font on your, and you can search your font, and you will be copy it. So here I will be like bold font. Many bold. So I will pick the bold font, and you will be bigger than from here of your text. So like I go here, and I will be pick that. And here you can easily go here, and here you can see it is coming like that. And here you can write anything. I will write default browser style. So here you can see. So I will be big it also. Okay. So how to download the font? You can download the font like that. Download the family. So the font will be easily as downloaded. But you can go to the here. It is very long time. So I will not do like that. I do like I go down, and here is family. Where is family? And here you can write anything. So I go here and I go here. So here you can write anything. Select, remove, and select all style. Go here. So now here you can go to the fonts. Go here, and here you can see it. It is coming like that. Many fonts. You can pick any font. I will click on that, and here you can pick any fonts like your choice. Okay, your choice. And here I will write default browser style. So in all is coming default browser style, because here I will write default browser style. So all coming right. So I will pick that font. So you easily like to do. I will go to the here, and here I will be copy that font, then go here, then paste it. So it is not coming. So I go here, then paste, then I go here. So here I will be copy, and now here I go, and here I will be write like H1, enter. And now here font. So I go here, and here I will be go to the here I will write like font first of all I will go to the here, then here I will be save, refresh, and nothing will be do. Why? Because here I will write not, here I will write font family, so it will be Roboto, comma and serif, save, refresh, so here you can see it. Easily it is coming like that. And now, here you can also like little text, align should be centered, not background, colors will be hashtag red, and here you can go here, and here you can write background should be gray, save, refresh, so it is coming like that, save, refresh, so gray, light gray, light gray, save, refresh, so it is coming like that. Here you can do anything from that. It is a default browser style, and you can give padding should be 200 pixels, save, refresh, so it is coming like that in the center. So you can do that. It is my video. So I hope you enjoy this class. Like that video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.